Hey, what's up? My name is Brandon Todicini. I work with the Special Diabetes Program as a health education technician, and today we are out here at the track, and we're actually going to be doing a pretty cool workout today. So this workout is directed towards people who are interested in doing, I guess you would say, like obstacle course racing or OCR. So it's going to incorporate a lot of like upper body and running at the same time. So we're going to jump right into it. First, we're going to start out with some leg swings as a warm-up. But yeah, remember when you're doing these exercises or any of the warm-ups, just remember to keep breathing. So we'll do maybe like 10 more of these. I don't really have it timed or anything, so. All right, other side. So we'll do at least 20. All right, so next one we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of come in between these two poles. We're just gonna kind of stretch out this, your pec major, your muscles like in your pecs right here. Kind of just stretch it out. So we're gonna hold this for maybe a good 15 seconds, 20 seconds maybe. Just feel that stretch. All right, so next warm-up we're gonna do is open up the hips a little bit. So it's almost like we're gonna saddle a horse or something, but we're just opening up these hips before we get started, because we're gonna be doing a lot of running. So what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do all the rounds, but I'll show you what one round would look like typically. So it's gonna be a lot of running. So we're gonna do one 400-meter run, so that's actually one lap around the track. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna do a couple jumping jacks really quick. So I did 30 of those. So now we're gonna actually get started into the actual workout. So like I said, we're gonna run around one time and then just jump right into the workout, and I'll let you know what the exercise we're gonna be doing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's not too hard, but not too easy. All right. So next thing we're gonna do, rest for 15 seconds, and then we're gonna jump in, do some pull-ups.
3,
So we're gonna do about 10 pull-ups. So when you guys are doing these, make sure you're going all the way up and all the way down. Take a break if you need it, because I do. All right. Two more. All right. Take a 15-second break, and then we're gonna jump into squats. And then right after the squats, we're gonna start doing jump squats. So 10 and 10. All right, 15-second rest, and jump right into jump squats. That's 10. 15-second rest. And then we're gonna go to incline row. We're gonna be using this bar right here. And we're just pretty much doing like pulling yourself up with a pull-up, but just more at an angle. So this is the incline row. So remember just to keep breathing. And when you guys are doing these, make sure that you're retracting the scapula so they're pinching together in the back. Last count, I think I was at 6. Last one. All right, 10. All right, next one, we're just gonna do walking lunges. So 10 there, 10 back. All right, 10 here. Now we do 10 back. All right, we got 10 for both sides. All right, next one is gonna be narrow push-ups. So we're gonna do that right here.
Three, two, one.
Whew. All right. All right, so next we're gonna do 10 hanging leg raises. So that's gonna get the core muscles. So the same thing, get into the pull-up bar, and we're just doing this. Toes the bar, 10 of them. Take a break if you need it, because I do. All right. 1. 3 more. Last one. And say like you couldn't do it, we would just do using our knees. So you would just come to here. That's all you would do. All right, move on to the last exercise. All right, box jumps. So of course we got the big one, small one, but we're gonna be using the big one. Ten. All right, so now we're gonna rest at least 1 to 2 minutes, depending on how much time you need to rest. But that's pretty much it. So typically you would do at least maybe 2 to 4 rounds extra, but if 1 round's good enough, then I would suggest just doing 1, just to get used to it. But yeah, that's one of my favorite workouts. And say like you were gonna do the box jumps and you're not able to jump yet, you can just step up like this, back down, back up, and the same with the opposite leg. And then you would just do 10 of these on both sides. And then if you couldn't do the incline row, I would suggest going to maybe something a little bit higher, a little bit easier for you. So you can start here and just do this. But yeah, if you can't do narrow push-ups, you can just do it here on the bench. So we could just do this instead of narrow push-ups. If you weren't able to do push-up, we could even do it on that too over there. So it could be, you can actually start from here, start the push-ups off from here. That gets easy. Do it on the bench. We're on that pole on the floor over there. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Sun's going down. Looks great out here. And thank you guys for joining me for today. Well, like I said, make sure you get a good warm-up in and a good cool down. And I would suggest doing these exercises when you are well and you're able to. So if you have any kind of physical conditions, I would talk to your doctor first and make sure you get permission to exercise and do these types of exercises. So that's it. Talk to you guys later. Be safe. Thank you.